Welcome back guys, GTS Garage. Today we are going to look at the carbs. So in the last video we broke them down, stripped them down into their component parts. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to put a link to it either in one of these corners down or top, and I'll put a link at the end of the video as well. If you click on one of these links, it will open that video in a new page and it will freeze this one. Clever YouTube. And so you can go back, watch that one, come here and then start off where we are now. If you have watched the last video, then you're just waiting for me to stop waffling and crack on with it. So in this video we're going to go through the cleaning aspect of it. Now as I said in the first video, I don't have an ultrasonic cleaner worth its salt. So I don't have anything big enough to take the carb bodies. So that is going to be a manual clean. Chances are that's exactly what you're going to be doing, unless you're one of those flashy sods that have got one of those great big ultrasonic cleaning tanks, in which case your job is going to take about an hour and a half and you can skip forward through the montage, I might add, through the very cleverly made montage to the end of this video, because yours will be sparkling clean and need no further work. But if you're like me, a bit tight, I'm going to do it the old-fashioned manual way. So this is going to start first of all with a soaping bucket, so water, soap and hot water. Here we go. I will get it right. Hot water, soap in a bucket and a scrubbing bucket. So I'm going to take some Mole 94 and just go over the moving parts. You can see I'm going to recoat those because I've obviously just stripped off all what was the grease there. So just put some lubrication on each one, that'll do. Okay, that is it. So basically that is the cleaning aspect done. The next stage I will be trawling through the hours and hours of video that I've created doing this, trying to remember how these get put back together, and that will be the next video. So you take care, you ride safe, or don't ride safe, ride like you stole it, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.